Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see how to solve this. So what you can see, all this is plus and minus in between. So what we can do here, we can see, we look at the denominators, the common denominators. Like, see here you can see this 3, this is also 5, and this is different. So we'll put the common denominators here together first. So here will be minus 2 by 3 will, along with the sign, you'll put in one group, then you put plus, then we can put here 4 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Can you see here? This and this, I put it together. Then this and this, I put it together, I put a bracket. And now what you can see, this and this, they are different. So we can put in a separate group. So that is 3 by 4. I'll put here minus 1 by 2. So now here, we look at the denominator. So denominator also we can do the same. Now you can see 3, 3 and 3, the denominators of this fraction, the denominator of this one. So that we'll put it together. Then 5 will put it together, and this 1 by 2 will keep it separate. So now let us see here, 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that is together. So now what you can see here, minus here, it is minus 1 by, see here, in this one, this both are, this is minus 1 by 5 and this is minus 4 by 5. So what we can do here, minus 1 by 5, because we want something, some symbol over here, either plus or minus. So what we can do here, we can take minus 1 by 5 minus 4 by 5, we can take minus common. So we will do here minus common, 1 by 5. So here say this is minus 1 by 5. And this is minus 1, 4 by 5. So minus is already outside. So here will be plus. Hope you got this one. See, I'll explain again. See here minus 1 by 5. So this is minus 1 by 5. This is minus 4 by 5. So minus and plus becomes minus 4 by 5. So since you have taken here minus, so here will be plus. And now what remains is just 1 by 2. So we'll put it separate without a bracket. So now it becomes easy for the calculation, because now you can see the denominators are same. So what you can write here, first now let us see for this, and later on we will take the LCM of that. So this will take it together, this together, and then for this one we have to take the LCM because the denominators are different. So what will be that, minus 2 minus 1, that is going to be minus 3 by 3, plus 4 plus 1, that is, this is 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 5. And the other one, what we can do here, because the denominator is 4, here we can multiply by 2 to make it to 4. So 3 minus 2 by 4. So I'll write here 3 minus 2 by 4. I'll write in the next step, then we can write the, so divided by, now here all in the denominator here, 2 minus 4 plus 1 by 3. I'll put it one bracket for time being. And here what we can do, minus 1 plus 4 means that is 5 by 5 plus 1 by 2. So here will be minus 3 by 3 means that is going to be minus 1. 5 by 5, that is going to be plus 1. And here will be plus 1 by 4. Here in the denominator, that will be 2 minus this is going to be minus 1 by 3. 5 by 5, but that is minus 1, and plus 1 by 2. So now there is no way but we have to take the LCM here. So can you see here, this is 4. So now here 1 is here is 1. So we have to multiply by 4. I'll write this step if you want here. So that is going to be minus 1. I'll write this step. Plus 1 by 4 divided by, now here what you can do, you can see 3 and 2, that is the LCM is going to be 6. So here you are going to multiply by 2, here by 3, and this is 1, so this should be by 6. See here. So that thing I'll write it again here, so for the better understanding. So this step is extra, but still it is okay. Hope that is clear now. So now here what will be that? Minus 4 plus 1 divided by 4. Now this will be minus 2 minus 6 plus 3 divided by 6. So here minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled. So what remains is just 1 by 4. And in the denominator, what we can see here, this will be minus 2 minus 6 means minus 8. Minus 8 plus 3. So that is going to be minus 5. So here minus 5 by 6. So now what happens here? This is the numerator and this is the denominator. So we are going to flip over this one, the denominator. So 1 by 4 will remain in the numerator, but this is going to be 6 by minus 5. So now what we can do here, we can simplify this one. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So it is going to be 3 by minus 5. Sorry, this will be 2 by, already we have here 2. So that will be 3 by minus 10, and that can be also written as minus 3 by 10. So why? Because see, whenever we write here plus divided by minus, that also is minus. If we divide minus divided by plus, that also is minus. So even if there is a minus in the denominator, we can write it over here. So both ways is the same. So the answer is minus 3 by 10. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other part. Thank you.